Hello and welcome to Dear Self-Care Court. I'm Courtney Lauran, and it is my intention that you heal and balance on all levels, removing any blockages or any dissonance that may be within you. So please be open to receiving the healing energy being sent your way. Today we are doing a quick sound healing, sound Reiki, sound meditation session, helping us to surrender, to find balance, and embrace more energy for our highest good. So take a deep breath in and release, finding yourself in a comfortable position and releasing any tension in your body. I'm going to use my selenite just to cleanse our auras real quick and cleanse the space, allowing positive energy to flow within you and releasing the energy that does not serve you, and simply letting it go and letting it flow. The energy that is not for your highest good, the energy that is holding you down or holding you back, the energy that does not make you feel good or does not have you feeling good, the dissonance or dis-ease within your body, allow it to flow out of you. Allow yourself to release. You do not need this energy within you. Let it drop off. It does not need to be in your aura, your being, your person, your space, your mind, your body, or your soul. We invite positive energy into the space. We invite it into our aura, into our being. The energy that serves us for our highest good is surrounding us and entering us and flowing within us and through us. Like I said, this is a quick sound Reiki, sound healing session. And the focus is surrendering to God, Goddess, universe, whatever you feel comfortable with, and surrendering the control of the things we cannot control. We have to put our faith into the universe and know that it is working to support us and for our highest good. We know what we can control and what we can't, and so we have to find the balance between the two by allowing the universe to control what we have no control over. So take a deep breath in and release again. And let these positive sound vibrations fill you up, allowing you to begin to surrender. Surrendering to God, surrendering to Goddess, surrendering to the universe, surrendering to the unknown, surrendering. Relinquishing control or the need to control what we cannot control in our lives. Allowing ourselves to find balance within ourselves. Knowing that what I am able to control, I will, and I will do it well. And what I cannot control, the universe will, and it'll do it well. Inviting positive energy within us and through us, surrounding us, lifting our energy as we lift control from us. It can feel good to surrender. It can feel good to let go. To know that you do not have the responsibility of controlling every single thing in your life. Allowing the energy that serves us well to shine through and take the front lead. The energy for our highest good, because the universe has our backs. So we receive positive energy daily. We embrace positive energy. We allow it to flow through us, within us, around us, surround us, as we journey through life. We relinquish unnecessary control and find balance. We are thankful. We have gratitude. And so it is. And may these positive vibrations, these high vibrations, continue to flow through you as needed, allowing you to surrender when needed, to find balance, and to receive the positive energy needed to thrive and flourish in your life. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching. Remember to be well. And until next time, peace.